my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 13.3 question number 5. So what is given in the question? A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 cm and diameter 6 cm having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with this ice cream. So what is given in the question? A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm. So what is given here? A container is in the shape of a cylinder. The diameter of this cylinder is given as 12 cm. So here the diameter is 12 cm and height is 15 cm. The height of the cylinder is 15 cm and the ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 cm and diameter 6 cm. Now this is filled with the ice cream and we have to take ice cream from this cylindrical container and we have to fill the ice cream into the cones. Cone is in all the cones are same and all are having the diameter 6 and height 12. Diameter 6 and height is 12. So, and one more thing, firstly we will fill the cone along with the hemisphere on that hemisphere. First cone, then we will put a scoop of hemisphere on the cone. So the volume of the ice cream that we are taking out from this container will be filled in this cone. So we want to calculate how many number of cones can be filled from that container. So now I am going to solve this question with the solution. So you can check here for cylindrical container I have taken capital R because the diameter was given, so I will divide it by 2 and I am getting the radius as 6 cm and height of this container is 15 cm and the ice cream cone, the height of the ice cream cone is given as that 12 centimeters. So and the diameter is here 6. So firstly I will calculate the volume of this cylindrical ice cream container. This ice cream container we will find the volume of that cylinder. It will be pi r square h. R we have taken capital and h 15, pi 6 into 6 into 15. And for this conical part of the ice cream, you can check here the diameter is 6 and the height is 12. So what is the formula for finding that only the volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus the volume of that hemisphere, because one scoop is will be put on the cone. So volume of the ice cream in the cone with the hemisphere over it, it will be volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So for the conical part I have taken r as small, 6 by 2 equal to 3 cm and height is given as 12 cm. So for a hemispherical part this scoop is having the same radius as it is with the cone, that is r equals to 6 by 2 cm 3 cm. So volume of the ice cream in the cone with the hemisphere over it, that is volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So volume of the cone it will be, you can check here, volume of the cone it will be 1 by 3 pi r square h and volume of the hemisphere over it, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. You can take 1 by 3 pi r square common and h plus 2 are left inside the bracket. 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. R is given as 6 was there. Diameter, then the radius will be 3 into 3 and what is h? H is 12 and plus 2 multiplied by 3. It will be 1 by 3, 22 by 7. This 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. 22 by 7 into 3. 12 plus 6, it will be 18. So that is the volume of ice cream in the cone with the hemisphere over it. So we are having two things. One is the volume of the container, volume of the ice cream in the container, and the volume of the one cone. And this ice cream will be filled in, let n number of cones, so n multiplied by volume of ice cream in one cone, that will be equal to the whole ice cream that is in the container, that is the volume of the cylindrical ice cream container. I will equate both the volumes and the cone will be multiplied by n. So we can see here this 22 by 7 cut here. I have taken this value from this and from previous, so it will be 3 to the 6. Take the terms on the other side, and after doing cutting, 6 3 the 3 5 the 5 to the 10. So the total number of cone required is 10. So this was my question number 5 of exercise 13.3. Now wait for my next video for further questions.